Hi, it's Dr. Arif Rajpura here, Director of Public Health for Blackpool, here to give you an update on the coronavirus pandemic and how it's affecting Blackpool. So, I'm pleased to say that our case rates are still lower than many other areas, the Northwest average and also the England average. However, there is a concern, and I'm concerned that Omicron is starting to spread, and it's spreading quite quickly in certain other areas. So just keeping an eye on that, because that it may start to spread quickly locally. And that's why government has introduced Plan B across the country, which is, wearing a face covering in most indoor places now, working from home where you can, and introducing COVID passes for certain events. So please continue to follow all those rules. Along with that, the really important thing around booster doses and getting a booster jab into everyone over the age of 18 by the end of the year. Please, if you haven't had your booster jab, go and get your booster jab. Book online. I know the online system's been very busy, but just be patient. If you wait a little while on the online system, you will get an appointment. So persevere with that. There are walk-in sites, of course, that you can go to. Again, there might be a bit of a wait, but please persevere with that. And of course, we've got the vaccine van, which goes across different places in Blackpool. Details of which you can find attached to this video. Also for children, secondary school age children that may not have had it in school, the vaccine in school, please book online or come to the 𝗨𝗽𝗱𝗁 on a Sunday. We have a drop-in clinic, no appointments required, between 10 and 4, so you can get your child vaccinated there as well. Anyone that hasn't had first or second doses, please come forward for your first and second. It's never too late to get the vaccine. There'll be no judgment. No one will ask you why you haven't had it up until this point. Please come and get your first or second jab as well as your booster jabs. We're going into the festive period, and what I'd say to people is just be really cautious, please, this winter. The more we mix, the more risk we introduce, and of course, there's more chance of spread. So it's really important that we do everything we can to protect ourselves and others. So if you are going to mix with others, then, of course, taking a lateral flow test, wearing a face covering in indoor spaces, and, of course, washing our hands. All of those important things still apply, and please continue to do those things. The self-isolation advice also changed. So anyone that's double vaccinated, that's been in contact with a positive case, the recommendation now is that people do a daily lateral flow test for 7 days. Really important we follow that advice. If you do come in contact with a positive case and you are double vaccinated. Of course, the rules for people that aren't fully vaccinated are different. They will have to self-isolate for 10 days, and there's no getting away with that if you haven't been fully vaccinated. So again, another reason for why it's really important that people get vaccinated. So please keep safe during this winter and during the Christmas period, as we go into a period when we will be mixing with our families. Please stay safe, keep others safe, and please follow all the rules that I've just mentioned around face coverings, working from home where you can, COVID passes, using your COVID pass to get into certain events, and of course, importantly, getting the COVID booster jab and getting that as soon as possible. Thank you for listening. Have a really pleasant Christmas and New Year, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.